Hey guys, what is up? I am back. I'm doing another reaction video. This one I just popped out of the blue, so let's hop straight into it. Let's start fire, I can tell. It's already start fire, that's really man. Lady Legacies. Yep, Legacies. Or wait. This boy. We already know who the last one is. Oh, she gonna become the puppet. That's cool. Freddy? Oh, no, Foxy. Sure, bro. That's lit. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that is so cool, my boy. Who Robin? Who Robin gonna be? Bonnie. Cyborg's Bonnie, I can tell. Bonnie, straight up, Bonnie. Yup, told you he's Bonnie. What'd I tell you? It's Bonnie, bro. Oh, hold on, let me show you guys something. This right here, this is my nephew, and I have one sitting across the table from me. So let's continue watching. Oh, you're Freddy.
What y'all watching?
Come on, Freddy. Oh, 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 there you go. Yup. Freddy. My boy Freddy. Alright, let's see. We already know who this is, so we could just reveal the whole gang. And I think this is gonna be sister location. Fun time Foxy. You want the orange? Or is she going? Wait, what is that? Tell me in the comments below. No, cause yeah, she's Fun Time Foxy, right? Yeah. Golden. Wait, no, Springtrap. Yep, Springtrap. Go ask mommy to peel it for you. Ask mommy to peel it for you. Ask somebody to peel it for you. Again with the bunny. Hold up, guys. One sec. Oh, Tony. Chica. Hey. Ugh. Sorry, guys. And you're Golden Freddy, I'm guessing. Or Spring. Spring Freddy or Golden Freddy? Either one. Yup. That's my boy. Yup. That's alright. Nah. It is so cool.
Wow, shoot. Hi.
Hi, that's my nephew back there. You can see him. He's saying
And
hi.
this is my uncle.
As you, if you can't tell already.
This is my uncle. He always has to be rude.
Man, shush. Alright, now
He has to be rude to everybody, so he's mean.
Okay, guys, I'm back, and we're gonna go back into this. Inferno. Oh, so I'm guessing I'm guessing Starfire's gonna look like rich.
Fun, no.
Oh, she gonna look like Kid Flash. That's sweet. Hey, but I can do this music. I can rock with it. What? Wait. Hello guys, I'm so sorry. But I just have to do this. So guys, if you really did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.